This was from Mateus de Sá. And what he asked me was that he has a concern, and it is very, very common concern because I had the same kind of thought when I was finishing my graduation. He wants to know what if it is possible to develop a good engineering skills, not having experience in the industry or not having an opportunity to get to do a trainee in a company. And in Brazil, I don't know in other countries, to finish our graduation in chemical engineering, we need to have some kind of trainee or minimal time of hours working as a trainee in a company. And of course, that when we are studying, we want to have this kind of trainee in BASF, in Bayer, in, in, in oh, there are so many companies, and I forgot names. Okay, Exxon and etc. But not on everyone are able to get opportunities on those companies, and eventually we find small jobs to do in order to comply with the minimum requirements hour. And it was my case. Okay, I was never so good in interviews, and I was always I still am very shy, and I didn't get opportunity to work in a big company during my graduation. But I was an employee of a municipal drugstore, and I had some connections, so I got an opportunity to do a trainee in a water treatment facility. So mainly what I did is observe the analytical results of the water, and what only that it was around 1 to 2 hours per day and 2 days per week. And with that, I was able to fill the requirements hours that I needed to finish my graduation. And today, it was in 2000, 2005, 2004, or more like that. And today I'm here with you, and I can tell you that I may not be, for sure, I am the best chemical process engineer in the world, but I have a lot of things to share with people, and I have many students that are helping, so I can say that I have a good experience, or I am at least a good chemical process engineer. So if you don't have the opportunity during graduation, it will not define your future as a chemical process engineer.